Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I going to teach you the cleverest rabbit story. I will teach you now. My story is the clever rabbit, and the animals have so many things discuss what to do. Then the fox went to the lion to talk to him, and the fox said, "One animal will come to you every day. Please don't kill other animals." And the lion said, "I'm angry." Then one day it was the rabbit's turn. He kept thinking all the way. How can he be the lion forever? Then the clever rabbit took the idea and reached lion very late. And the clever rabbit said the story for the lion. And the clever rabbit said, "I'm sorry. I'm so sorry." Another lion who stopped me. Then the lion said, "Who is this lion? I will kill him. Take me to him." Then the clever rabbit took the lion into the well, and the lion saw his own face. Lion thought it was another lion, and lion said, "I will kill you." Then the lion jumped into the well to catch another lion and drowned into the water. And the clever rabbit said, "Aha! All of the animals are safe now." That's the end. Do you know it now? Yes, but click the red button below to subscribe. Bye.